Whoa, this big. Strike Africa. It's Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Felix Strike Africa. It's quite a bright evening over here in Kenya, Africa. Wherever you are, please tell me the time you're watching this video. Maybe it could be morning, evening, and all that. Welcome. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if it's your first time. Please, that's how you will support me to make more and more content, and also reach far and find way and bring more content to you. Thank you so much. Today, I am with a freelancer. Introduce yourself. What's your name?
Yes. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this. Is it an interview? Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to his YouTube channel. Support my small brother Manze.
Yeah.
It means a lot. It means a lot. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. So yeah, let me start by saying my name. My name is Beverleyn Shaban. Okay, there are people who call me Brilliant Shaban.
Yes,
it's a beautiful name.
I've known Brilliant Shaban or Beverleyn as Bev ever since she's been my friend. Okay, yeah. If I can say where we met is on a freelancing site, Facebook platform, and also we came to WhatsApp. We came back to WhatsApp, and we actually met on 2019, like on online. We have met physically. This is the physical.
It's the first meeting. Time we are actually meeting physically.
We've been lively. We've been arranging for meetups, but Corona, like literally cut everything, cut ties with people. No coming in touch. But now it's really amazing. I'm grateful for this day. I'm meeting her. Let's listen to her story. Please watch till the end. It's so lucrative for you, whoever wants to work online. And here we shall. She's going to differentiate between network marketing and also about freelancing, content creation, all of that. She will say what she does and what she's going through. The story is just but good. Please take a pen and a book. Maybe you read something which interests you, and whoever wants to venture into this. I know most people usually ask, how can I start this? How can I start? No, you will not today. This is the day you have been waiting for. Please subscribe and click the bell icon over there for future videos. This video may contain part 1 and part 2. That is, if I think it may be long. I don't know, usually like uploading a very long videos for you to remain intact to whatever you want my capture. Tune in.
And guys, don't forget to share it to your friends who are thinking of venturing into online work. Wow. Kindly guys, share. Watch. We are going to try to give you guys as much nuggets as we can and just impact you guys. You know?
Yes, that is.
Yeah. Welcome.
So, wow. So, what do you do in freelancing world? Like, what do you do? What's your field? Oh, first of all, before that, can you differentiate between network marketing and all that? If you ever done so, yeah, differentiate between what you do and network marketing.
Network marketing.
People tend to confuse many things.
Yeah, so network marketing is whereby you earn recurring commission.
Yes.
When someone buys something from you.
When you refer someone.
When you refer, exactly. Now for Kenyans we call it referral. Yeah. Yes. So network marketing is referral, but really that's not the definition. Okay. Recently there was an issue about Amazon web worker. First of all, guys, that was so wrong of that company using Amazon's legit name, to promote something
that's not real,
to promote that pyramid scheme, know. And unfortunately most of us fell into that trap because we were looking for quick money.
That is true.
Guys, online work, you have to work hard. You have to put in the effort. You have to put in the effort. And if you don't put in the effort, you won't see results. Sure. And that is why you find so many of us Kenyans, we fall into this trap. And then later we're like, oh, scam. No. If you did not do due diligence, and if anything that comes so easily,
Yes.
you have to ask yourself.
Think
really.
again.
Think again, yeah.
Yeah.
In life, there are no shortcuts. You have to endure, you have to work hard, you have to persevere and get where you want to get.
Sure.
Yeah. So network marketing, whatever we have in Kenya, the network marketing, that's not a network marketing. Really. I don't know how to define network marketing, but the likes of AIM Global and
Global fortunes.
hey, global fortune.
GNLD,
There are,
all
but
that.
there are legit network marketing platforms
Yes.
and sites in the US.
Yes.
I know of one that is called, I'm forgetting. It's for selling CBD products.
Oh, okay.
I'm forgetting the name, but it's so legit and people are actually making money out of it. So how you get in is you buy the products that are going to help you. So if you need a product for your pet, you get that product. If you need a product for maybe you're having sleeping issues and all that, I'll remind him and maybe he'll leave
I'll
a link.
put a link. I'll
Okay?
leave a link over there.
Yeah,
so
so
you
you,
can check it out.
you invest by buying those products.
Yes.
What these people are trying to show you is these products actually work. You're promoting what has worked for you. Because you have a choice of, not promoting the thing if it doesn't work for you. So that is what a true network marketing is. You're selling something
That has worked
legit,
for you.
something that has worked for you. And if you sell in network marketing,
Yes.
if you sell legit stuff, you're likely to make more money.
Sure.
But not this Amazon and public likes and that is not network marketing, guys. That's not network marketing.
Now, next step is what we do. Like you don't do network marketing.
No. First of all, it is tedious. Trying to convince someone that a product you used worked for you. First of all, it is so tedious. But if you are selling a moving commodity, it's a very, very, very lucrative side hustle.
Sure.
Or even you can even make it full time. Personally, I don't do that.
You don't do that. Now, next move is what she is